In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and copy Slack Workspace invitation link. So if you want to invite people to join your Slack Workspace, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and share an invitation link with them. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to find and share your Slack invitation link, it is quite simple. Just head over to your Slack account and then go ahead and click on invite people here. Under this, down below here, you can see we have copy invite link. So if you click on copy, now this will go ahead and copy your link. And as you can see, mine is set to expire after 30 days. Then you can now go ahead and share it with anyone. So should anyone use this link, for instance, if I paste it here, you can see this is my Slack link that anyone can use to join my workspace. So if anyone clicks on this link, they'll be able to join my Slack workspace. So that's how you can share your Slack invitation link to friends or coworkers. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.